Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make onion Schezwan butter uttapam. Here I have taken half bowl of urad dal, 1.5 bowl rice and few fenugreek seeds. I am using yellow urad dal and I am using idli rice. You can use any rice available at your place. Now I am going to soak all of them together for 5 or 6 hours. After 5 or 6 hours, I will make a fine paste. Here I have a tip for you guys. Do not use additional water while making a paste. Otherwise your batter will be runny. Also I will leave my batter overnight for fermentation. So here my fermented batter is ready and I will add 2 spoons of salt, half a spoon of Eno powder, fresh lime juice and 3 spoon or 4 spoon of water. Here I am going to mix them well and I want this consistency. You can see. Add butter. Now I am going to pour my mixture and I am going to use Schezwan sauce. Just spread it randomly. Now I am adding chopped onion and coriander. I will press it with my fingers. Allow it to cook for few minutes using the help of a spatula. You can press it gently. Now with the help of a spatula, I am going to flip this and allow it to cook from the other side. There you go. Cook it for few minutes and your uttapam will be ready. Try this recipe at home and do share your comments in my comment section below, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.